Harvey the Carpenter by Lars Klinting. Harvey is planning to make a toolbox today. All the tools Harvey needs are in his workshop, but it isn't very tidy. Sometimes it's hard for him to find things. Where on earth did he put his plan? Phew! Here it is! Now he can get started. First, Harvey studies his drawing carefully. He doesn't want to make any mistakes. Then Harvey gets his tools ready. He takes out a tri-square and a folding ruler. Harvey measures the boards carefully and marks where he's going to cut the wood. The tri-square helps him draw straight lines. Now it's time to use the saw. Be careful, Harvey. A saw is very sharp. Harvey saws the board along the lines he drew. He needs a different tool for cutting curved pieces. This is a coping saw. That looks perfect! What a nice, neat job Harvey has done. Now Harvey wants to make some holes. He needs a brace and a bit that's just big enough. Boring holes is hard work. Harvey stands on his stool so he can reach. To make some little holes, Harvey needs different tools. He uses an egg beater drill and a bit that's just small enough. Harvey whizzes the egg beater drill round and round. The wood is rough and Harvey doesn't want to get a splinter. He needs to smooth down the wood with a rasp file, some sandpaper, and a sanding block. Harvey rubs the wood for a long time with the sandpaper. When he's finished, it feels lovely and smooth. All the parts are ready, so Harvey needs to fit them together. He uses a screwdriver and some screws. Harvey twists the screws into the little holes he made. They fit perfectly. For the next job, Harvey needs a hammer and some nails. Whoops! Harvey bends one of the nails. A pair of pliers will sort it out. Yank! Harvey tugs out the bent nail. It puts up quite a fight. The toolbox is almost done. All Harvey needs now is a mallet and some glue. Harvey fits the toolbox's handle into the big holes he bored. A bit of glue will keep it in place. Now Harvey collects up all his tools. His saw, file, nails, coping saw, sandpaper and block, screws, pliers, hammer, screwdriver, folding rule, tri-square, brace, bits, glue, mallet, egg beater drill, and puts them away in his brand new toolbox. Harvey has worked hard. Now it's time for a cup of tea.